Today I'm with Serge the car hauler. It's nice to meet you.
Finally, nice to meet you. We've been friends on Instagram for a while, and finally we met at a car show, of course.
Thank you. It's nice to finally meet you too.
Yeah, I'm a big fan. A little bit about what I do. I drive, I call it the spaghetti car hauler, if you know where spaghetti comes from. Guys like Luigi and Tony, you know, and all the cool cars we like come from Italy. So this truck hauls cars for Ferrari North America, and sometimes a Porsche or something else. I'll give you the key. You could start it off.
Wow, thank you.
So yeah, it's just a regular international truck. It's got 2 beds, air conditioning, and air horn.
Can we go inside and check it out?
Let's go. Let's walk around the other side. Let's go. Hop in. You got to use the handrail and then the door handle or the steering wheel. That's the DOT safe entrance. Don't be jumping off that height because you could twist an ankle. Don't ask me how I know. Go ahead, climb up. And I think I might have some air in the system. This is the string to the horn, so you can blast it as much as you want.
That's really cool. It's very loud.
Yeah.
Thank you for allowing me to do that.
Yeah, there you go. How's it feel to sit in the big rig?
This is my first time sitting in a big rig and it's awesome. It's very comfortable. Thank you.
Breaker 19, this is the rubber duck. You got a copy on me? How's it look over your shoulder? Do you know what all that means?
No, I'm not sure what that means.
How's it look over your shoulder means what's behind you. So they can tell you if there's traffic or a plain green wrapper, a plain blue wrapper. You know what that means? It means a green police car, a blue police car. Trucker lingo.
I'm about to drive the 2025 International LT. Check this out.
I'll give you this shirt, Be Do Have. It's one of my mottos. I learned it first time in the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, which I highly recommend to read. Decide who you want to be, take that action, and you'll have the result. And that's my channel and the famous shark video I filmed. So thanks
That's
for
awesome.
coming out. Nice to network.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Make sure you guys go subscribe to his YouTube channel. So if you want your car transported, make sure you reach out to Serge from Autobox Express because he's transported it all, from Ferrari FXXK Evos and even McLaren F1s. Make sure you guys reach out to him.